Hello, my lovely students. How are you? Today we are going to do some worksheets about the present simple. So let's start. So the first worksheet we are going to do is about the present simple negative. Okay, miss. So do you remember when we talked about like and likes and how can we make a negative form by using like and likes? And if you want to say about something you don't like, you're going to say I don't like swimming, for example. If you want to say about a girl, you're going to say she doesn't like reading, for example. Okay, so today inshallah we're going to make a revision. Here we have the word don't. Okay, the word don't has some friends. Okay, the friends of the word don't are you, we, I, they. Okay, so these words are friends with don't. يعني we say you don't, we don't, I don't, they don't. Okay, miss? On the other hand, we have here doesn't. Okay, the word doesn't, we use the word doesn't to make a negative form for the singular subject. Singular means one. Excellent. So doesn't also has some friends. She, he, it, he doesn't, she doesn't, it doesn't. Okay, previously we talked about she and he. Okay, we said that she is a pronoun that refers to a girl. Excellent. And he refers to a boy. What about the pronoun it? It refers to an animal. Excellent. Or for a thing. Okay, for example, a dog, a cat, a book, a pencil. Okay, so for singular we use doesn't. Okay, and for plural subject we use don't. Okay, so the question that we have here, complete these sentences using don't or doesn't. So here we are going to use don't or doesn't. Okay, so let's read number one. She play volleyball. So to know the answer, okay, I have to look at the subject. This is the subject. Okay, she, we have here she. Is the pronoun or the word she friends with don't or with doesn't? Where do we have the word she? With don't or with doesn't? Excellent, with doesn't. So I say she doesn't. She doesn't. Okay, number two. We do our homework. We don't or we doesn't? Excellent, we don't. Okay, because we refers to a plural. Okay, we don't do our homework. Number three, they. They also refers to a plural. Okay, so I say they don't live at that house. They don't. Okay, number four, sorry. You don't study every day because you is a friend with don't. Okay, they are friends. Number five, he is a singular. He doesn't. With singular, we write doesn't. He doesn't wash his hands before eating. Okay, number six, this dog doesn't drink any water. This dog means one dog. We have one dog, so it is singular. So with singular, we use don't or doesn't. Excellent, we use doesn't. So this dog doesn't drink any water. Okay, the last one, we don't eat 3 pieces of fruit every day. We, okay, so again it refers to the plural. Okay, so we don't eat. Okay, now we are going to do this exercise. Make negative sentences by using don't or doesn't. Okay, so as an example we have they like drawing. If we want to make a negative sentence by using don't or doesn't, okay, we're going to look at the subject. This is the subject. Okay, هلا with they, I'm going to use don't or doesn't. Excellent, don't. Okay, where can I put the word don't? After the subject, between the subject and the verb. This is the verb and this is the subject. Okay, so between the verb and the subject, I'm going to write don't. So they don't like drawing. Look at example number 2. She likes dancing. She likes dancing. So I'm going to look at the subject. This is the subject and this is the verb, right? So the subject is here she. Okay? With she, I'm going to use she don't or she doesn't. Excellent. She doesn't because it is singular. Bravo. I'm going to write doesn't between the verb and the subject and the verb. So she doesn't, and don't forget to remove the s. Why? Because the word doesn't take the s from the verb. The word doesn't, okay miss, take the verb from the s. So she doesn't like dancing. Okay? Okay, so let's come back here. We have we like reading books. Look at the subject here. We have we. I say we don't or we doesn't. Excellent. We don't like reading book. And full stop. Sorry, here we have reading books. Okay, number 2, she likes drinking Pepsi. Okay, miss, with she, I'm going to use doesn't or don't. She doesn't. Excellent, because it is singular. So she doesn't. So don't forget to remove s. Remove the s because doesn't take the s from the verb, okay? Okay, number 3, they like going to school. They don't or they doesn't? Excellent. They don't like going to school. Okay, number 4, he likes swimming. He is singular. Excellent. With singular we say he doesn't or he don't. He doesn't. Excellent. And we don't forget to remove the s from the verb. He doesn't like swimming. Okay, and the last one, you don't or you doesn't. Excellent. You is a friend with the word don't. So you don't like riding a bike. Okay, miss. Now we are going to move to talk about present simple questions, how to make questions. To make questions, we are going to use the word do and does. Okay, do or does. Okay, so the word do with you, we, they, I. Do you, do we, do they, do I, like. Okay, and with the singular subject she, he, it, we use does. Does she, does he, does it. Okay, miss? So how can we make a question? Okay, so how to make a question? We have the sentence, they like swimming. Okay, and we have here a picture, and the picture has a cross. Okay, how can we make a question? By using the word do or does. Okay, we're going to look at the subject they. I'm going to say do they or does they? Do they. Excellent. So I'm going to write the word do, the first word. Okay, miss. Do. Then I'm going to continue the sentence as it is. Okay, إذن أول إشي I'm going to write do. Then I'm going to write the sentence as it is. So do. I'm going to continue writing the sentence. Don't forget to make this letter T small because here it is at the beginning of the sentence. Here it is not. Okay, so do they like swimming? and question mark. Okay, the questions that start with do and does, okay, they have two answers, yes or no. Okay, if we have a cross here, so no. Okay, no. Look at the subject here. No, we're going to write the subject. With no, we're going to say don't. With yes, do. Okay, miss? So no, the subject, then don't. Because here we have no. If we have yes, do. Okay? Look at number 2. She likes drawing. She likes drawing. And I'm going to use to the questions do and does. Okay? With she, I'm going to say does she or do she? Excellent. Does. And the letter here is small letter. Does she like? Don't forget to remove the S because the word does take the S from the verb. The word does and the word doesn't. So does she like drawing? Okay, question mark. Here we don't have a cross. Okay, ما عندنا cross. So the answer is yes. Where's the subject? She does. Okay, if the answer is no, تكون no, she doesn't. Okay, miss? Okay, in the worksheet we have they like playing football. We're going to make a question. So with they, I'm going to use do. Do they like playing football? And the question mark. Here we have a cross on the picture. So no, then we're going to write the subject. They don't because we have no. Number 2, he likes riding a bike. Okay, so with he, I'm going to use do or does. Excellent, does because it's singular. Does he like riding a bike? Okay, so don't forget to remove the S because we have the word does. Does takes the S from the verb. Okay, the answer here is no because we have a cross on the picture. No, then we're going to write the subject he, then doesn't. Okay? Okay, number 3. I like playing the piano. Okay, look at the picture. We don't have a cross. Okay? هلا miss. Be careful to this sentence. Number 3. هلا we don't say do I like playing the piano. We're going to change the pronoun I to you. Okay? Do you like playing the piano? Okay, miss? And the answer, if the question is, do you like playing football, swimming? The answer will be yes, I do, or no, I don't. Okay, miss? So, do you like playing the piano? Yes, I do, because here we don't have a cross. We are done. Thank you.